Now let's do some numerical problems on combination of resistors. Okay. In the first question, we have to find the equivalent resistance across these two terminals A and B. The network has three resistors. Out of two are connected in parallel and the third one is in series with this parallel combination. Okay. Now first find the equivalent resistance of this parallel combination. The equivalent resistance of parallel combination, as you know, 1 upon Req. Req is the equivalent resistance of this parallel combination, will be equal to the 1 upon R1. Here R1 is 3 and plus R2 is 6. 1 upon 6. When you solve this, then you get 18 and 9. Okay. Then Req, equivalent resistance, will be equal to 18 divided by 9 is equals to 2 ohm. Okay. So 2 ohm is the equivalent resistance of this parallel combination, and you know that we can replace this parallel combination by the equivalent resistance. So the new circuit will be like this: A, B, this is the equivalent resistance Req, and this is 2 ohm, and the next resistance is 3 ohm. Okay, and these two resistors are connected in series now. So the equivalent resistance of the series combination is Req. Again, equivalent resistance of this series combination is 2 plus 3. Simply add them. 5 ohm. Okay, so 5 ohm is the equivalent resistance across A and B. This is the answer. Okay. Now come to the next problem. In this problem, again we have three resistors but connected to form a triangle. Okay. Now we have to find the equivalent resistance across A and B. This is terminal A and this is terminal B. Just note down, we cannot find equivalent resistance without mentioning the terminals. Okay. Equivalent resistance is always calculated across two terminals. If the two terminals are not defined, then we cannot calculate the equivalent resistance. Okay. So here we have to find the equivalent resistance across A and B. Now across AB, I am going to simplify the diagram by producing a wire from A and B. So this is like so. This is terminal A, this is terminal B. 4 and 2 are connected in series. This is 4 ohm, this is 2 ohm. Okay, and this third resistor having resistance 3 ohm is in parallel with this combination. Okay, this is the series combination here. Okay, now, and this 3 ohm is connected in parallel with this series combination. Okay, so first find the equivalent resistance of this series combination. Okay, so here the equivalent resistance of the series combination is R1 plus R2, that is 4 ohm plus 2 ohm, 4 to 6 ohm. Now we can replace these two resistors by a single resistor, that is Req. Now redraw the circuit as this. Okay, 6 ohm. Okay, so these two can be replaced by a 6 ohm resistor. So this is 6 ohm. Now other is 3 ohm. This is A, this is B. Now these two resistors are connected in parallel, and the equivalent resistance of parallel combination is given by the sum of the reciprocals, 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6, which will be equal to 9 upon 18. And when you find the REQ, then it would be 18 by 9. It means 2 ohm. Okay. So 2 ohm is the equivalent resistance of this network across A and B. Okay. So note it down.